Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a circular logo in Canva. Start by opening Canva and click on Create a Design. Select Logo as your design type to begin working on your logo. In the Design tab, search for Circle to find circular elements that you can incorporate into your logo. Choose a logo template that features a circle and either customize it to suit your needs or create a new logo from scratch. To make the text in a round shape, select the text you want to curve, then click on Effects. Click on Curve and adjust the curve settings to create the desired circular text effect. Then, customizing your logo as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Once you have customized your logo to your liking, proceed to the final steps. Click on Share and then select Download. Make sure to change the file type to PNG for a high-quality image. If you have Canva Pro, you can download the logo with a transparent background for added versatility. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.